Ayan. Sige, kumusta? Kumusta, friends? Sige. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Sige, masaya ako to see all of you today. Sige. Let me just check. Sige. Just a reminder, my friends. Let's be respectful, okay? Let's not type or write anything inappropriate sa chat. Um, and I'm sorry, Siri. Not talking to you. Sige. Yeah, and just have fun. Pero I want to request na we all can be respectful too. Sige, salamat. Ako will share my screen. Ipapakita ko na ang screen ko. Ayan. Sige. Okay. Sige. Did I? Okay. Ayan, welcome to Jeepney School Tagalog class. Ang lesson natin today ay mga pagkain or food sa Tagalog. Um, Combined with pseudo verbs, okay? Or we will learn more how to express that we want something, and we will also talk about and use non-focus markers sa Tagalog. Sige, pero bago yan, let's review our lesson noong Monday. Sige, so noong Monday, we learned about pseudo verb gusto. Sige, I want you to write one sentence using gusto, the verb gusto. Gusto ko ng adobo. That's an example here. I want adobo. Gusto ko ng adobo. Very good. Um, Now, I want you to also write a sentence with existential my. Okay, example, my Nintendo Switch ako. I have a Nintendo Switch. Sige. Ayan. Sige, one sentence using gusto ko and one sentence using existential my. Okay? Sige. Sige. Magal.
Okay, ready?
Sige. Magaling. Sino ang pwedeng mag-share ng sentence nila? If you want to share your sentences, raise your hand po. Sige, Jillian Perez.
Gusto ko ng ice cream sundae. May guitar ako.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Leilani Florence. Sige.
Gusto ko ng mangga. May lipstick ako.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Okay. Can you make sure na kayo ay naka-mute? Please. Salamat. Can someone be my co-host to mute those who are not muted? Anyone who wants to volunteer? Do you know how to do that? Okay. Okay lang. So far we're quiet, so we'll skip that part. Sige. Okay. Sino pa? Si Gabriel?
Gusto ko ng dark chocolate bar.
Mhm.
May computer ako.
Magaling. Salamat. Matilda?
Gusto ko ng kanin at may aso ako po.
Magaling. Kaylee?
Gusto ko ng tinapay, may books ako.
Magaling. Isabella Bon?
Gusto ko ng siopaw, may Nintendo ako po.
Magaling. Salamat. Evan and Sammy?
Gusto ko ng Apple, may PS5 ako.
Magaling. Sige, salamat everyone. Sige. Okay. Ngayon, let's practice pronouncing this word sa Tagalog. Sige. Now we have here kanin for rice. Let's say kanin 3 times. Kanin, kanin, kanin. Sige, follow Ate Cherry one more time. Kanin, kanin, kanin. Magaling. And the next one is tinapay. Let's say it together. Tinapay. Let's say tinapay 3 times. Tinapay, tinapay, tinapay. Magaling. Tinapay for bread. Ayan. Now, let's learn how to ask someone, do you want rice or do you want tinapay? So how do we do that? We say, okay, follow Ate Cherry, gusto mo ba ng, and then whatever it is that you're asking them that that they want. Sige. Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Do you want rice? Gusto mo ba ng tinapay? Do you want bread? Sige. Now you can answer by saying opo, gusto ko po ng kanin. Yes, I want kanin or I like kanin. Okay, or if you don't want kanin, you can say hindi po. Hindi po. Let's say it together. Hindi po. Hindi po. Okay, hindi po. Ayaw ko po ng kanin. Like, I don't want rice or tinapay. Sige. But another answer that you could use too is okay lang po ako. I'm good. Busog. Busog means I'm full. Busog po ako. Okay? Busog po ako. I'm full. Sige. Or you could also say hindi po ako kumakain ng hindi po ako kumakain ng blank, ng kanin dahil blank, because. Okay, example. Let's say, oh, someone offered you, oh, gusto mo ng kanin? And you don't eat kanin because you have food restrictions, like, hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin dahil may celiac disease po ako. Or hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin dahil may diabetes po ako. Or hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin or tinapay dahil gluten-free po ako. Okay, so yan. Or allergies. Yes, allergies. You can use whatever reason that you have why you cannot have kanin or rice. Sige, magaling. Okay, now let's practice. I want to ask you. Sige. If you want to participate, raise your hand. Sige. I'm gonna ask you, gusto mo ba? And then you can answer me. Sige. Anyone? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Gabriel.
Opo. Opo, gusto ko po ng kanin.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Gusto mo ba ng tinapay? Anyone? Gusto mo ba ng tinapay? Jess? Naka-mute ka, Jess. Mute. You're on mute, Jess. Sige. Sige.
Sorry, hindi po. Ayaw ko po ng tinapay.
Magaling, magaling. I'm gonna ask one more time for kanin. Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Anyone? Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Christina.
Opo, gusto ko po ng kanin.
Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng tinapay? Bon, Isabelo, Bon.
Opo, gusto ko po ng tinapay.
Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Evan? Tiongso? Tiongson?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tinapay.
Magaling. Sige, gusto mo ba ng kanin, Kaylee?
Opo, gusto ko po ng kanin.
Okay, magaling. Now, I'm gonna ask everyone, try to answer me on your own. You don't have to unmute yourself, okay? Gusto mo ba ng kanin? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng tinapay? Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ayan, next ay manok. Let's say it together. Manok. Let's say manok 3 times. Manok, manok, manok. Sige, manok for chicken. Sige, para sa fish, we say isda. Let's say isda. Okay, let's say isda 3 times. Isda, isda, isda. Magaling, isda. Sige. Now, let's ask. I'm gonna ask you now, gusto mo ba ng manok? Okay, you can answer by saying, opo, gusto ko po ng manok. Or hindi po, ayaw ko po ng manok. Or okay lang po ako, busog po ako, I'm full, I'm good, I'm full. Or hindi po ako kumakain ng manok, I don't eat chicken, dahil because I'm allergic sa chicken. Or whatever your reason is. Sige, magaling. I'm gonna ask who wants to participate. Raise your hand. Sige. Um, there's an icon sa Zoom for you to raise your hand and it would show me you will be put sa very top part ng Zoom so I could call you. Sige, okay. Gusto mo ba ng manok? Gusto mo ba ng manok? Anyone? Sige, Emmy D, gusto mo ba ng manok?
Opo, gusto ko po ng manok.
Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng isda, Christina?
Hindi po. Ayaw ko ng isda.
Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng manok, Joel Martinez? Sige. I think you unmute yourself, but I still can't hear you, so it might be your microphone or something with your computer. Sige? Pero thank you for responding. Salamat. Sige? Rachel L, gusto mo ba ng isda?
Opo, gusto ko po ng isda.
Magaling. Matilda Erickson, gusto mo ba ng manok?
Hindi po, ayaw ko po ng manok.
Magaling. Jocelyn, gusto mo ba ng isda?
Opo, gusto ko po ng isda.
Magaling. Leilani, gusto mo ba ng manok?
Opo, gusto ko po ng manok.
Magaling. KJ, gusto mo ba ng isda?
Opo, gusto ko po ng isda.
Magaling. Zika, gusto mo ba ng manok?
Opo, gusto ko po ng manok.
Okay, now everyone, answer Ate Cherry. Sige? Gusto mo ba ng manok? Magaling, magaling. Sige, one more time. Gusto mo ba ng isda? Magaling. Salamat, salamat. Sige. Ngayon, now let's learn ang Tagalog para sa vegetables at sa fruits. Sige, let's say gulay. Let's say gulay. Let's say gulay 3 times. Gulay, gulay, gulay. Magaling, gulay. Now let's say prutas 3 times. Prutas, prutas, prutas. Magaling. Sige? Ayan. Now, let's do the same drill. I'm gonna ask you, gusto mo ba ng gulay? Okay? You can say, opo, gusto ko po ng gulay. Hindi po, ayaw ko po ng gulay. Okay lang po ako, busog po ako. Or hindi po ako kumakain ng gulay. I don't know why you shouldn't. Hindi po ako kumakain ng gulay dahil allergic sa gulay? I don't know. Sige. Sige, ayan. Sige. I'm gonna ask my friend. Sige. Sammy Tiongson. Gusto mo ba ng gulay?
Opo, gusto ko po ng gulay.
Magaling.
Kaya?
Gabriel, gusto mo ba ng prutas?
Opo, gusto ko ng prutas.
Magaling. Isabelo Bon, gusto mo ba ng gulay?
Opo, gusto ko po ng gulay.
Magaling.
Gusto pong gulay.
Sige, salamat. Salamat, my friends. Okay, now, answer Ate Cherry together. Sige. Gusto mo ba ng gulay? Magaling, okay? Sige, gusto mo ba ng prutas? Magaling, magaling. Salamat. Salamat for answering me. Sige, ayan. Now, let's do gawin natin ang water. Sige, ang Tagalog para sa water ay tubig. Let's say it together, tubig. Let's say tubig 3 times. Tubig, tubig, tubig. Very good. At para sa gatas, or for milk, sorry, we say gatas. Let's say gatas 3 times. Gatas, gatas, gatas. Magaling, gatas. Okay, now we also have I'm not sure if you drink. I think you're too young to drink coffee, so we say kape, kape for coffee, kape, and we also have chaa, chaa for tea. Okay, but we don't say boba chaa. Okay, because when we think of chaa, we think of like the warm drink. Okay, sige, yon, chaa. Okay, at sa Tagalog, in the Philippines, we don't say soda, we say soft drinks. Sige. So I don't know why, but that's how we call it, soft drinks. Sige. Now, I'm gonna ask you kung gusto mo ba ng tubig. Sige. Okay, gusto mo ba ng tubig? Gusto mo ba ng tubig? Anyone who wants to answer? Gusto mo ba ng tubig? Sige, Leilani, gusto mo ba ng tubig?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tubig.
Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng gatas, Christina?
Opo, gusto ko po ng gatas.
Magaling. KJ, gusto mo ba ng tubig?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tubig.
Magaling. Jillian Perez, gusto mo ba ng gatas?
Hindi po. Ayaw ko po ng gatas.
Magaling. Evan Tiongson, gusto mo ba ng tubig?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tubig.
Magaling. Sige. Now, everyone answer. Remember, if you don't practice with me, then it will be really hard to progress sa Tagalog. Sige? Okay? For everyone, gusto mo ba ng tubig? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng gatas? Magaling, magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ayan, now let's learn to use other markers sa pseudo verb gusto. Okay? So, let's say, we know how to say I want or I like. Let's say I want Jollibee, right? Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Sige. Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Okay, how do we say that sa Tagalog? Oh, sorry. I want Jollibee. We say gusto ko here. Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Okay. Now, how do we say, let's say, Angela wants Jollibee. Okay. How do we do that? We use ni. Gusto ni Angela. Here. Sorry. Gusto ni Angela ng Jollibee. Okay? Next, how do we say you want Jollibee? You. So we use mo. Mo. Gusto mo ng Jollibee. Okay? You want Jollibee. Now, if we want to say that you guys want Jollibee, like I'm talking to more than one person, I would say gusto ninyo ng Jollibee. Okay? Gusto ninyo ng Jollibee. Next, if you want to say, or she wants Jollibee, because in Tagalog, for he and she, we both use niya for non-focus marker. Gusto niya ng Jollibee. Gusto niya ng Jollibee. Okay? Next is gusto nila. They want Jollibee. Gusto nila ng Jollibee. And if you want to say we want Jollibee, including you, including the person I'm talking to, we say gusto natin ng Jollibee. Okay? And para sa last one, if we want to say gusto namin ng Jollibee, just us, you guys can get Chick-fil-A if you want. You can say gusto namin ng Jollibee. Okay? Sige, now I want you to write one sentence per marker. Sige. So I want you to write a sentence for ko, ni, mo, ninyo, niya, nila, natin, but you can use the same template. Like for me, I just use Jollibee the whole time. Okay? Sige, I want you to use just one template or one word of what they want, or if if you have the time to think of other things other than what I wrote here, Jollibee, then that's okay too. Sige, do that. Okay, I'm gonna give you mga 10 seconds, 10, 20 seconds. Sige. And then I'm gonna have you share it sa klase. Okay. And while you do that, I'm gonna write more sentences here, examples that you can follow. Let's say, gusto ko ng halo-halo. Halo-halo. Gusto ko ng halo-halo. See? And then, gusto ni Hudson ng halo-halo. Hudson wants halo-halo. Gusto ni gusto mo ng halo-halo. Like you want halo-halo. Sige. Gusto ninyo. You guys want halo-halo. Okay? And gusto niya. She wants halo-halo. And gusto niya, nila. They want halo-halo. Gusto nila, natin. We want halo-halo. Inclusive, including you. Then gusto namin ng halo-halo. We, just us, want halo-halo. Sige. Ayan, ready na. Sino ang pwedeng mag-share ng sentences nila? Who can share their sentences? Sige, Jess.
Gusto natin ng party sa beach.
Mm-hmm. Sige, salamat. Sino pa? Who else can share their sentence or sentences? Sige, Ari?
Ano ba? Gusto ko ni Pusole.
Magaling, salamat. Sige, Evan or Sammy?
Gusto ko ng sushi.
Magaling. Magaling. Sige, salamat. You can also use ko, mo, or ni, nila, natin. Sige, Kioni? Lape?
Gusto natin ng bakasyon.
Bakasyon. Yes, I need that. Sige, salamat. We need that. Anyone else? Gusto? Sige, Christina at Sammy or Evan.
Gusto mo ng ice cream?
Magaling. Salamat. Christina.
Gusto ko ng prutas.
Mhm. Magaling. Salamat. Gusto ko ng prutas. Salamat. Salamat, my friends. Now, para to wrap up ito, klase. Okay. I want to ask you, ano ang gagawin mo bukas? What will you do tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow? Ano ang gagawin mo bukas? You can answer me by saying, magha-hiking ako bukas, magsha-shopping ako bukas, mag-nap ako bukas, mag-gardening ako bukas, mag-play kami sa Switch bukas. Okay? Sige, I'm gonna ask my friend Leilani, ano ang gagawin mo bukas?
Magva-volleyball ako bukas.
Magaling. Sige. Kaylee, ano ang gagawin mo bukas?
Volleyball ako bukas.
Oh, magaling. Gabriel, ano ang gagawin mo bukas?
Trainspotting ako bukas.
Magaling. KJ, ano ang gagawin mo bukas?
Ate, I have a question.
Mhm.
Does the pronouns in Tagalog have genders or
Wala. No,
wala?
it's gender neutral. So,
Okay.
whether it's a she or a he, we both say niya.
Okay.
Sige. Salamat. Sige. Maraming. Oh, Ari, ano ang gagawin mo bukas?
Korean barbecue ako bukas.
Magaling. Salamat, my friend. Sige, gusto ko na i-encourage kayo na do your homework, memorize the list na I gave you. Kayo ba ay may access sa Google Sheet? Opo? You got it? Sige, do your homework there. You can submit your homework there. At yeah, have a good weekend. Salamat! Salamat!
Thank you, Ate.
Salamat.
Salamat!
Thank you.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Paalam.
Salamat po.
At
Salamat!
Salamat!